everyone. Welcome to MSD. We ain't gonna do no milling today. I've had a few people ask me about the Sawmill sawdust collection I got hooked up. So I thought I'd give a little demo how we got it hooked up and how it works. And then get the camera here. Move it up here closer. Alright, what we got a 4-inch flex hose hooked to the side of the sawmill, I'm sorry. Take it off here. I'll show you the inside. This is after sawing about 4 or 5 logs. You can see very little sawdust in there. Very little in there. Hardly any sawdust on the inside. Just a little bit in the corners. Builds up in the corner right there, which is a, let me get a little bit closer so you can see it. Which in this corner right here, I have a 4-inch piece of plywood cut out to fit on the inside of the plastic housing. And I used a PVC adapter that goes 4-inch to 4-inch. It goes over 4-inch on this side and out 4 inches here, outside diameter, and 4-inch inside diameter on this side. Well, I cut the 4-inch inside diameter off and just left a very little flange on it so it wouldn't fit through. I had to cut the housing, the holes in the housing out to set this in there. And then I just went ahead and put a piece of metal on here to support it, make it stronger, because this is wide open here, so I boxed that in. And then all you got to do is just hook up the flex hose to this. And you can see the little bit of dust what's in here. And I got it on a remote control, which when you start the sawmill up, you just hit the remote. Start sucking it out of the middle. Just keeps everything all clean in here and everything. And then you also can use it as a vacuum wand to vacuum around the mill and clean everything up. I'll show you how I got that. Shut it back off so you can get rid of some of that noise. I just take it loose from the band clamp and move this camera back. And all I got to do is take the 4-inch flex hose. Let me move this camera a minute. I took another piece of PVC pipe, which is 4-inch, with a 4-inch adapter that goes down to 2-inch, that fits the big shop vacs wands. And I just slide it in the flex hose, tighten it down. And then I got a vacuum to do the side rails and clean up inside and everything. Then if I want to take it off that, I can do the floor, which I have another extension on it. I just add one big extension. I'll show you how it works here. You can see the floor. Let me get the camera adjusted again. It's hard doing this when you're a single person doing a video. See a little bit of sawdust right there on the floor. Turn the remote on. Catch 100% coming out of the sawmill, but it does catch between 70 and 75%. Let me show you how I got that here. get this camera off the stand. Alright, all I got here is a flex hose running down to a 2-inch shot, a 2 horsepower shot back, excuse me. It's a 110, 2 horsepower. And I got a 4-inch piece of PVC pipe going out the building. Cut a hole in the building right there and ran it out the building, excuse me. Then it blows everything out the back, and I'll show you where it goes. It's raining here, so I'll try to stay out of the rain as much as possible. And after it comes out the back of the building, it goes down the 4-inch PVC pipe and then blows out here, you can see. Then I usually just take the tractor and push it all down over the hill somewhere to get rid of it. But it's better than all that right there being, you have to sweep up inside the sawmill. It's a lot less cleanup. So that's how she works. That's how I got it set up. And on the next video, I'll show y'all, finally got the EG100 board edger set up. It's all set up in here. We had to put underneath an awning to keep it dry and clean. We got to finish the awning yet. We got a floor down, and we got the edger all set up. We ran it once already just to test it. Come out perfect boards. Set it at 5-inch. It cuts 5-inch, and this is the gas model. So, soon I get a chance and it quits raining and everything, we'll get some lumber, get it up here. I got a bunch of boards to edge. I'll give you a demo how it works and how it runs and everything. All right, we thank you and appreciate y'all watching our videos, and hope you subscribe. And we'll get something else going here in a little bit and get another video for you. Y'all have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.